Hello garden lovers, welcome back to Gardening on a Budget series. Today we're going to be discussing episode 5, DIY planters from waste budget gardening ideas. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Want to start gardening without spending a fortune? Look no further than your own trash. With just a bit of creativity, everyday waste like plastic bottles, tin cans, glass jars, and even old shoes can be transformed into beautiful, budget-friendly planters. Not only does this save money, but it also helps reduce waste and supports an eco-conscious lifestyle. Begin by collecting any clean, reusable containers you'd normally throw away. Make sure to add a few drainage holes at the bottom to keep your plants healthy. You can then customize your planters using leftover paint, fabric scraps, twine, or even stickers. This is a great opportunity to add personality to your garden, and it's a fun activity for the whole family. Once your planters are ready, fill them with good quality soil or compost, and choose plants that suit the container size. Herbs like mint and basil work well in small tins, while succulents thrive in glass jars. Whether you have a tiny balcony or a full backyard, these DIY planters prove that gardening doesn't have to be expensive. With a little effort, you can grow your own greenery while giving waste materials a second life. So grab what you've got, get your hands dirty, and start building your budget garden today. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.